Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I am here to share with you how to start a small business and how to make money using the Cricut machine. This video is sponsored by Cricut, and today I will show you an array of items that you can use to kickstart your own small business and make lots of money. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching. Okay guys, so here are the items that I have created using my Cricut Explore Air 2. Some amazing things, guys. Okay guys, so you just saw all the lovely items I just showed you, and as I stated before, these items were all created using the Cricut Explore Air 2. First thing I want to do is I want to get into some of the businesses that we can start with a machine like this that will give us profit. So basically, a lot of people now are doing the graphic tees. That is very, very popular nowadays. Different graphic t-shirts. So that's one line of income or one stream of income that you could consider with a Cricut Explore Air 2. The next thing that you could also consider is events. So doing like invitations, table signs, table numbers, that sort of thing, welcome signs for events. That is just another stream of income that you could have by using the Cricut Explore Air 2 to kickstart your business. Another idea that you can also consider is doing a line of cups and mugs. That is also very, very trendy at this time. You will see ladies and gents out with like their water bottles. They have their names on the side of it or a cute little message or something. Very trendy, and it's all over social media. So that's just another area that you could tap into. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you some of the items I created with the Cricut machine, and then we're going to look at niching down. Okay, so the first thing we talked about was the t-shirts, and I have done a few for you just to give you an idea of what you can create with your Cricut machine. So I've created this cute little tank, and it says King in Training. Absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at that. And this particular crown, this design came from the Cricut Design Space. Another one that I did is this shirt, the afro, and it says Queenfidence. Super gorge. And then I did a third one that says Pride. All of these designs I got from the Cricut Design Space. Right. So now that we've looked at the shirts, I'm going to show you something else, some other items that I have created to go along with the shirt, the Pride shirt, this one here. I also created this mug with the same design, super gorge. And I went in and did some other items for a business. So little bags. This is for Lash Pharaoh. This Pharaoh head was also from Cricut Design Space. So I have bags that they used to put their items in. I also did some organza bags. Cute little organza bags. Now it's see-through, it's very thin, so I'm just gonna put this black thing behind it. That way you're able to see it properly. There you go. Cute little organza bags. This company also has like a champagne service. When you go for service, they will give you champagne. So we also did some wine glasses or champagne glasses with their company name and logo on it. And also some little bottles that they use to service their clients. Again, company name and logo. Absolutely gorge. And these items, like I said, were all made using the Cricut. So another arm of that business is they do nails also. So Lash Pharaoh, obviously, they do lashes. And then there is another branch or another arm of that said business, which is Nail Pharaoh. And this one is operated by the sisters. So there are two sisters, the Pharaoh sisters. One handles the nails and the other one does like the lashes. So here I went ahead and I created this little like a thank you bag. They use the very same logo, and I've just put the name again and the logo and thank you for your business on the bottom here. Now let's talk about niching down. Okay guys, we're gonna talk about finding your niche, but before we do that, I wanted to show you my t-shirt. Isn't that gorgeous? I think it is absolutely gorgeous. It is now my new fave, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to make some more with the Cricut machine. After doing all that research, you then want to decide, who do I need to sell my products to, or who do I want to sell my products to? Who is my target market? And what exactly am I selling them? And that's where you start to differentiate yourself from everybody else who's selling t-shirts, just random t-shirts, any t-shirt. And that is okay if that works for you and for your business. But when you have a target market, then the products that you are putting out are consistent with what your clients are asking for. So again, here's the t-shirt. Yeah, we're making t-shirts, no problem. But this one is specific. You can start a specific line, which is okay. I am doing t-shirts. T-shirts are my business, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell t-shirts that showcases ethnicity. So right now I have this t-shirt on with the afro, and it says Queenfidence. There is definitely a target market out there for that. So you want to reach those people with the content that you're putting out. So I have this afro one. I have the cane training, that sort of thing. Now you are targeting a specific audience. If they want to know where to go to get those t-shirts with the afros and, you know, just everything urban and ethnic, then they know that you are the person that they need to go to for those products. So that's what kind of differentiates you from everyone else that's selling t-shirt. Of course, people can say, well, this person is selling t-shirts, but this person sells the ones that I'm looking for, with the crowns, the afros, the big hoops, the big earrings. There is definitely a market out there for that. And that is how you can narrow it down and focus in on a particular group to get your products out and going. The next thing I shared with you were the logos, like the company name and stuff, the glass, the bottle, that sort of thing. That is also another avenue that you can look at. Let me explain a little bit. Now, like I said, if you are a business owner that's printing, that's fine. You can do as much as you want. Right here, we're talking about finding your niche. So what I am doing here is I am doing things for the beauty industry, right? Right now, everything in beauty is they need a bag, they need boxes, they need thank you stickers, they need bags. If they have specialty programs, they may need champagne glasses, that sort of thing. So instead of just printing for everyone and everybody, like I said, which is okay, now I am doing it specifically for the beauty industry, right? That is what my niche is. I want to focus on that, make them my target audience. So how do you do that? Well, you look around in your local community to start, just to see the businesses that are around, the beauty shops, the nail shops, the lashing technicians, all of that. Look on social media, check out your IG pages, Facebook, and figure out those places that are in your immediate area. And hey, pick up the phone, call them, send them a message, let them know what you're about. and ask them if they would be interested in receiving from you maybe like a sample product with their logo on it, just to showcase what you can do. The beauty in this is like, for example, Lash Pharaoh. So for Lash Pharaoh, we're doing the bags, which we can put items in. They put their items in it. So I have the bag, I have the bottle, right? So they use that for that purpose with probably more products in it. I have the organza bag that they put like candy and other little stuff like tweezers and stuff to give to their VIP clients. So I have that. And I also have the champagne glasses, which they use for their VIP service as well. Now, what that tells me is that if I'm servicing them with these products, they're always going to want to come back. This is repeat business for me, right? This is basically set on autopilot, because the minute they run out of organza bags or the product bags, the bottles, the glass, anything of that nature, they're going to come back to me to get some more, for me to print them some more, as well as the nail Pharaoh. They will also come as well because they will continue to need their bags. They like the products, they like the print, they like everything that I offer. So this is one area that I'm focusing on with different shops. Can you imagine the potential? So this right here is just two people. So they are different arms. One sister runs this company, the other sister runs this company. So this is already two businesses that I'm printing products for. And imagine if you have 10 salons that come to you for all of these different products. You'll be making a lot of money, right? So don't hesitate. Don't be afraid to try. There is also beauty salons that you can make the bags for, that they put their bundles in, or they put the wigs in. Some of them need the boxes again to put that. So now you're talking printing two things for just somebody with a hair company. So you're printing the actual bag that they put the bundles in, and then you're also going to be printing the boxes that they put that bag in, because nowadays it's all about presentation. So that's two items you're already printing for that one company, and most of them also will want to get like a thank you card. So that's three products you're printing for that one company, and you're printing it in multiples, right? So think about that for a moment. Another area that you can tap into is the event planning business or weddings, right? Where you can print like invitations, you can do the bride and groom glasses, you can do the table numbers, you can do the seating chart. There's so much that you can do with your small business and using the Cricut machine to make different products, right? It is so much. So with that, what you want to do, again, you're going to do something similar to reaching out to the beauty shops in your local area, and you're going to want to reach out to event planners. Reach out to event planners, again, give them a sample of something that you offer and offer your services, right? And that is just another area that you can tap into. Another one is if you want to do seasonal products. So maybe you're just doing this on a part-time basis just during seasons. Now you want to do different things. So there's an opportunity for you to do something for the fall. You can make fall pillows, home decor, which is what I do. So fall pillows, you can do coasters, you can do placemats. And then right after fall, there's Christmas. So now there are Christmas items that you need to make. A lot of people use their Cricut machine to make the accessories for the trees, and they have the different names on it of their family members. So guys, the potential and possibility for you to create a small business with using your Cricut it's unlimited. The one that I like the most, to be honest, is the beauty industry. because like I stated earlier, the minute they run out of items, they will keep coming back. That's repeat business for you to take your business to another level, because what's going to happen is now they're going to tell somebody else about you and what you have done for them, and they will always feature your products in their, like when they do like Snapchats, or they do something like reels on Instagram or something. Your work is always going to be featured and showcased in whatever they are doing. So guys, there is so much that you can do. This is just barely chipping away at the surface as to the amount of things that you can do as a small business. Because as the trends change, you will see different opportunities to boost your business and add more products to your business, or change directions, whatever that means for you. But when you have a Cricut machine that can do all the cutting for you and the printing, that is amazing. So I just wanted to take the time today to share all those things with you. What I will do is I will leave some more ideas for you in the description box below that you can take a look at to see if, you know, there are any of these business opportunities that you might be interested in and getting started. I will also definitely leave a link in the description box below with the Cricut link. That way you can check them out and see which machine matches your business and which products you'll need to get started. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you coming by and listening to what I have to say as it pertains to small businesses. Now, let me know if this information was useful or helpful to you, and I will definitely share some more. But thanks again for watching. Please be sure to leave me a comment in the description box below. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for clicking on the link. I really do appreciate you stopping by, and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting that subscribe button below, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Always hit the notification bell. That way you're the first to know when I upload new videos. All right, thank you so much again for watching, everyone. And to my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.